Hello everyone, now we will learn to wrap a front bumper. Since the bumper is a complex section, we will need to do inlays. In order to define where we will need to apply inlay, we can use an unused piece of film left over after sectioning and test it in the recessed area now. On this particular bumper, due to its deep recess, we will need to apply an extra inlay on its inner part. So we have applied the inlay panel. On the outside, we will cut it off along the edge. On the inside, we cut it with a small excess, so that when we apply the main panel, we have some space for overlays. After we are done with the inlay, we move on to apply the main panel on the bumper. We will do this in two stages. We will cut the release liner in the middle, apply one half with a moderate tension, and then apply the other half accordingly. Before we start wrapping, we will dust off the bumper itself and the prepared film panel. At the point of junction with the inlay, we cut the film with a small excess. By doing this, we reduce film tension, and then we apply the film without tension with a small overlap of 4 to 5 millimeters. In the air intake area, we start from the deepest corner. After we wrap the inner part of the air intake, before applying heat to it, we will relax the film by making relief cuts so that it wouldn't peel off during heating up. After applying the wrap to the complex areas of the bumper panel, we proceed with the simpler ones by heating them up and applying the film with a low tension. There is a corner at the top of the bumper. Now we will pick the panel back up till the edges, apply a little heat, slightly stretch it to the sides and apply it to the corner itself. Next, we will apply this part and make a small overlap around that corner towards the inner part in order to mask it on the outside. Now we will make a relief cut here, apply the inner part and overlap it with the rest of the film. Now we will cut off the excess film with an overlap of 4 to 5 millimeters. We cut out the round holes at the parking sensor points with a small excess of 1.5 to 2 millimeters. After that, we apply heat and wrap the film behind. As soon as we wrap the whole bumper, we post-heat it to 100 to 110 degrees. As it cools down, we proceed to trimming. Once we finish trimming, the wrapping of the front bumper is complete.